వరల్డ్ హ్యూమన్ రైట్స్కి సంబంధించిన మన నేషనల్ లీడర్స్ ఇన్ దట్ డైరెక్షన్ అండ్ అదర్ similar distinguished guests sitting in the front and students. I retired as the additional director special, that is senior director in from Usmania Hospital in upgraded post Hyderabad, as one of the Telangana state senior directors in 2017 October. And after that I trained in Kamineni Hospital as medical superintendent, and for the last 7 years I completed there and I am still working. So, and I am happy to be associated with this World Human Rights Day, and I was eager to see and to know what exactly is human rights. Even at the back end of the year life, I don't know what exactly is this human rights. See, that is the fact we have to accept. We are all experts in our own fields, but there is something what one girl has said with our medical and health department, MSc psychiatry. She told what nursing psychiatry. She told what we miss, what we don't even think of. See, that is what some people used to say, lateral thinking. In some of these lectures I had this lateral thinking. Instead of straight thinking, lateral thinking. Why can't we do this way? See, I will tell my own example. I was brilliant in my class, not boasting self, but it is a fact. And all the after MBBS we go for clinical distance, surgeon, physician, cardiac, like that. But I took hospital administration out of passion. Why? I thought, why can't, if I become a surgeon or a clinician, I will help some group, some people. But if I become an hospital administrator, I will be in top positions at the shortest span of time, and at the same time I will be helping lot many people. I will be in a position to help not many people. So that was my personal thinking. And in those days, all my friends were not happy with me. But later, when I occupied bigger positions and I started helping many people, they appreciated why I took that step. I might not have earned money, but I had a lot of satisfaction of helping thousands of people, and at the same time, which I am continuing even now. That is what gives satisfaction to our person and personality, and for our life. That is the real contentment. Anyhow, and where the main theme today is startup. So why we need startup? Many people have given their opinions, valuable experiences, and taking this opportunity, I wish you all should grow and become the best experts, and you should be in a position to employ many people to help the country indirectly. Thank you, for giving me the opportunity.